When you lease a car, you often hear the term residual value. Let's look at what that actually means for your monthly payment. Residual value is simply the predicted value of a vehicle at the end of its lease contract. A higher residual value is usually better for the consumer because you are paying for less of the car's total depreciation. Several factors determine this number, including the brand's reputation for reliability and the specific features of the vehicle. The residual value is the base number, while the buyout price is what you pay to own the car after the lease ends. Your monthly lease payments are calculated based on that $16,000 depreciation gap, spread out over the term of your lease. Essentially, you are renting the portion of the car that disappears as it ages. The less it drops in value, the cheaper the rent. Understanding residuals helps you compare lease offers effectively. Check your contract details carefully before signing. Thanks for watching.